Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix WhatsApp microphone not working. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app from your home screen. This is where all app permissions and device controls are available, so we'll start the fix from here. Now, inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find the Privacy and Security option. This section controls which apps can access features like microphone, camera, and contacts. So once you see it, tap on it and move to the next step carefully. After opening Privacy and Security, scroll down again until you see the microphone option. Tap on it because this page shows all apps that are allowed to use your iPhone microphone. And honestly, most WhatsApp microphone problems happen because this permission gets turned off accidentally. Now scroll through the list and find WhatsApp. If the WhatsApp microphone toggle is disabled, simply turn it on right away. Once enabled, WhatsApp will be able to use your microphone again for calls and voice messages normally. If the issue is still not fixed, go ahead and restart your iPhone. Sometimes, the system gets stuck temporarily, and a simple restart refreshes everything properly. So, after restarting, open WhatsApp again and test the microphone one more time. If your microphone is still not working, then uninstall WhatsApp from your iPhone. After removing the app, go to the App Store and install WhatsApp again carefully. This usually fixes corrupted app settings or bugs that may be causing the microphone issue. And that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp microphone not working on iPhone step by step. Most of the time, enabling microphone permission, restarting the phone, or reinstalling WhatsApp solves the issue completely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple and helpful WhatsApp tutorials.